बोलता ना कोहरा होता है ना. It's so foggy out there. It was nice and bright out here. So I've removed my raincoat and also I've removed the cover for this tank bag because it stopped raining. So here we are with some sort of adventure going downhill. Oh boy, this is dangerous. You just need to make sure that you ride slow enough and be able to control your bike. But this is amazingly beautiful as well. Tough roads takes you to beautiful destination. That's what I'm experiencing today. Faizan is with me and it started raining, and just when I just removed my raincoat and my tank bag cover, it started raining. But have a look at this beautiful place, guys. I'll just need to excuse me for a minute while I just cover my tank bag because I have all the expensive things in my tank bag here. Oh my god, there was a landslide here. Luckily the road wasn't blocked, and here you can see a few of the rich ladies having bath. Let's not disturb them or stalk them. Let's just enjoy our journey and ride on this rocky roads. Oh my god, look at this water crossing. Oh boy, easy, aaram se chal. This is like something different experience here. Riding on the stones is not easy. Faizan is doing a good job, and so am I. But this is amazing. You can see the waterfall out there. I don't know where this road is going to lead us, but we're going to go to the end. Let's see how it works out, guys. I just hope you all will enjoy this video. And please give it a like button, guys, if you all didn't like this video. Okay, I have to stop and cover my bag. Just have a look at that water flow. It's just drizzling actually, but I don't want to take a chance because I have expensive gears out here. I have my DSLR and lenses as well, so I don't want to take any chance. Just cover this. It's all safe now. Yes, let's continue the ride. I don't know if you can hear me because of the waterfall and the rain crackling sound, but trust me guys, this is amazing. Whoa. Such trails are amazing to ride, but sometimes it's quite scary if you are all alone, so it's good to have someone along with you. Like Faizan is with me, so you feel a bit secured when you're getting into such sort of roads. When I used to ride alone, I used to really get scared at times, but when there is someone along with you, then you feel a bit secured. Just have a look at this. I can literally see the water flowing, and more than anything else, I'm really enjoying this sort of off-roading. I always love to travel, explore places. It doesn't matter the roads are bad, good, but it's always a good experience. Now there is a water crossing. Wow, check this out. I guess. Yeah. Chalo fir. Look at this. You can chill out here as well, but I just decided that now, since we have taken good amount of time, there's a waterfall out there. That's उधर दिख रहा है आपको, वो मडप waterfall है. उसके लिए आपको वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा, and then from there you have to trek, or you can also walk through that. वहाँ से एक trail है which will take you to the Madap waterfall, and that water flows out here. If you all are coming, there is a road that goes behind its buildings that side. From there then you all can go and trek, or if you all come here, you can just park your bikes there, and then from there you can just walk out your way and go. That is the Madap waterfall. So now we need to walk a bit. Just parked our bike. That is the Madap waterfall. But I'm not going to go that far. There is this river crossing and the water is a bit deep. With all my gears on, I'm not going to take a chance. So we'll go a bit further. We'll ride further and we'll see if there is any sort of water body. You can see the flow of the water. I tried to get into such roads and do a bit of off-roading. I've done this before. I really enjoy this. Doesn't matter what sort of bike you have, just get it here, drag it, test your skills riding on off-road. I just hope you all are enjoying this ride with me during the rain. ये जो जंगल वाला फील आता है ना, जंगल में जब आप बाइक चला रहे हो, और मतलब क्या मज़ा आता है यार, बयां नहीं कर सकता वो उसमें कि when you ride through the forest, उसका एक अलग मज़ा होता है. Just have a look at the water that is gathered out here. So in the rainforest, there is always chances of rain. That's what's happening out here. It was nice and dry earlier, and now as soon as we entered the rainforest, it's raining. It was drizzling and then it started raining. So this road seems to be very dangerous, and one of my colleagues is enjoying his ride. He hasn't complained yet in regards to the roads. So you can't expect much from these roads when you enter a village or such places. You'll find these sort of roads. It's amazing, guys. Just have a look at this. Wow. And we are just heading right on top. Just have a look at the view from here. I'll show you all the view once I reach on top. देखते हैं, भी पूरा एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. अपने ये पूरा दिन है अपने पास. आगे जाते चल, थोड़ा आगे जाके आते हैं रिटर्न. Wow, amazing. So guys, I just hope you'll be able to view this beautiful place. So I've parked my bike right there, and here is Faizan's bike. So what I've decided is, well, we have just halted here. It's almost 2:30. We were clicking some pictures, and this is Madap Village, and a beautiful scenic views. We made some reels and also clicked some pictures, and now we decided to just take some rest below that tree there, and snack on the vada pav that we purchased, and also on some fruits what I have. And then we'll ride back down, because this is amazing. This is very mesmerizing. You can see how beautiful it is, and it's raining, good amount of rain. So this is kind of a valley, what you can see here, and there is a bit of drizzle, and then it vanishes, and again it drizzles, and again it vanishes. When I visit such places, such beautiful terrains, especially in the rains, it's so beautiful and pleasant. Just have a look at this. Mountains covered with a lot of greenery and flowers. You can see the flowers out here. Nice yellow flowers. This is what's happening out here. It's raining, then there is a fog, a lot of fog out here. At times you can't even see what's in front. बोलता ना कोहरा होता है ना. It's so foggy out there. It was nice and bright out here. The sun was shining bright, and then it rained, and now it's gone completely foggy. It was raining so heavy out here, and now all of a sudden the sun has come up and the rains has disappeared. You can see how drenched I am. In fact, the entire camera. And now just have a look at this place. This is what's happening from the time we have come here. So when I try to remove my DSLR, it starts raining. I'm very hungry, and in fact Faizan too. You can see everything is completely wet, but the feel of this place is amazing, guys. I will always recommend this sort of place for you all for a trip. ये देखो मेरा बैग पूरा भीग गया, सब कुछ भीगा पड़ा है और हम भी भीग पड़े हैं। सो चलो अभी फटाफट अपना खाते हैं यार, लाइक वेरी हंग्री व्हेन वी आर ट्राइंग टू कम। सो आइडियली द प्लान वाज लाइक we'll come here, we'll sit here, enjoy this view right in front here and eat our vada pav, take the feel of this place, and then the rain comes. Alright guys, so we just enjoyed our vada pav and again it started raining. We just had a vada pav and it started raining again, and we were just enjoying the scenic view right there. You can see a bit of sun that's come up and you can literally see that part, and this part is gone completely. You can see how dull it has become when it's raining now. It's raining and raining and it's pouring. Alright guys, so I just hope that you all have enjoyed this video. It's around 6:43, that's 18:43. It's around 6:43 right now and just past Washi. So we just halted and ordered Chinese momos and whatever stuff. So I just wanted to end this video. Just whenever I'm roaming the camera now guys, there was an issue where it was raining. So when I'm roaming the camera it starts raining, and I had an issue with the DSLR as well. I couldn't remove any sort of videos, so I just checked now and it was fine. So I'm feeling better, but I just wanted to close the video. I didn't get the opportunity to speak to you all. So with that, I'm just going to end the video. I hope you all enjoyed this video guys. I hope you all enjoyed this place. I know I wanted to go to the Madap waterfall, but I couldn't go to that place. However, I just hope the place which I visited was even more better, and I really enjoyed off-roading. If you all want to travel to this place, you can definitely go and check this place out. And if you all did like the video, please hit the like button, please do share, subscribe and comment. I'll see you all soon in the next vlog guys. Bye.